Question number 7. If triangle M and O is a concurrency of triangle DEF and they given the value angle M equal to 60 degree, angle E equal to 45 degree, find the value of angle O. Okay, so first step, sum of three angles should be equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Now the given angle M plus angle N plus angle O should be equal to 180 degree. What is given in the question? Angle M equal to 60 degree and angle E equal to 45 degree. So here 60 degree plus 45 degree plus angle O, which we are going to find, equal to 180 degree. Now 60 plus 45 is 105 degree plus angle O equal to 180 degree. Now angle O equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. So angle O equal to 75 degree. So the value of angle O is 75 degree. So let's try question number 9 in the classwork note. In the given figure, FG, that is FG is equal to FI. H is the midpoint of GI. Prove that triangle FGH is a concurrent of triangle FHI. Here FG is equal to FI and GH is equal to IH. The sides I am comparing in the figure. Now H is the midpoint. Therefore, FH is common side. The criteria may be is side, side and side. So SSS criteria. Okay, try to solve this miscellaneous practice problem in the classwork note. In this, you can try question number 8 as a homework sum. Okay, let's try challenging problem now. Here in the figure is given BD is equal to, that is BD is equal to BC. This is the thing. Find the value of X. Now, in the classwork, you please try the given first. BD is equal to BC. So, angle which is opposite to equal sides are equal. So, in a triangle ABC, yes, Y plus 115. 115 is a exterior angle. Y plus 115 is equal to 180 degree. The property what we are using here, sum of adjacent angle. So to find the value of y equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. So y equal to 65 degree. Now coming to the exterior angle. In a triangle ABD, yes, angle D equal to angle A plus angle B. It is a exterior angle. Now what is given there? Yes, it is 65 degree. It is an angle D. What we find that equal to 35 degree plus X. Now the X value is 30 degree. Let's move to question number 12 in the book. In the given figure, find the value of X. So angle L, M, N, K. In this, angle K is 58 degree, angle N is 30 degree, and angle L is 26 degree. Here you are going to find the value of X. So in triangle LMN, so angle LMN extending side, angle M equal to angle I plus angle N. That is the value which given angle I as 26 degree plus angle N equal plus as 30 degree. So as a exterior angle, 26 degree plus 30 degree. So angle M equal to 56 degree. Next, coming to the next triangle in the figure, J, K and M. Yes. So x equal to the opposite you have to add, is it? So angle K plus angle M. So x equal to 58 degree plus 56 degree. Yes. X equal to 114 degree. Now, here angle A is corresponding, that is concurrency to angle E. So, again the interior opposite angles are equal. AC is parallel to DC. Yes. Question number 13. So in the given figure, you are going to find the value of x as well as y. Here the exterior angle is given as 62 degree. So 62 degree equal to 25 that is 28 degree plus x. So 62 degree minus 28 degree equal to x. So your x is 34 degree. By using the sum of angle sum property, 28 degree plus angle x plus angle y equal to 180 degree. Now I will know the value of angle x. Yes, so 28 degree plus 34, that I am substituting the x value in the sum of angle sum property. So 28 degree plus 34 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. First step, you should add this two. So 62 degree plus y equal to 180. Now you will get the y value while subtracting the 180 minus 62 degree. So your x is 34 degree and y is 118 degree. So let's try question number 15. In the classwork notes, first observe the figure and try to write the given. Here in the figure, angle TSP is an exterior angle of this triangle. So now, what is given? Angle TSP plus SPT should be equal to UTP. Once again, I will repeat, ma'am. Angle TSP plus SPT should be equal to angle UTP. Now, the value of angle TSP is 75 and you know the value of given angle for UTP is 105. So that you will find the value of SP, the angle of SPT, by substituting this in the relevant place. So now angle TSP is exterior angle. So TSP plus SPT equal to UTP. This all in the angles. So SPT is now 30 degree. Let it be this as equation 1. By using the angle sum property, SPT plus TPR plus RPQ, that is 30 degree what we find, and plus 90 degree as and plus RPQ, that what we don't know, equal to 180. Now you add this 2 degree and do the subtraction, that is 120, well transposition to this side as 180 degree minus 120 degree. So now RPQ equal to 60 degree. This is equation 2. Now as a linear pair, angle VRO, that is given in the figure, angle VRQ plus angle QRP equal to 180 degree. Now VRQ is given here as 145 degree. So 145 degree minus angle QRP equal to 180. Now you are going to find the value of angle QRP. So 180 degree minus 145 degree, which gives you 35 degree. Now in angle PQR, yes, angle QRP plus angle RPQ equal to X. So 35 degree plus 60 degree, which gives you the value of X as 95 degree. So you please try question number 14 and 16 as a homework sum. Now, try to complete the miscellaneous practice problem and challenging problem of chapter 4 in the classwork note. Kindly submit the classwork note for the correction. So in next session, we will try the practical geometry which is given in page number 85 in exercise 4.2 question number 7 in the geometry note. Thank you, students.